Practical wiring is very dangerous, so practice the wiring software first. Today, analog wiring software is used to share an automatic and manual control water supply circuit of float switch. Connect the main line first, the circuit breaker to the contactor to the thermal relay, and the thermal relay to the motor. In the control loop, the live wire of the power supply is connected to the normally closed terminal 95 of the thermal relay. Then output from the normally closed terminal 96 to connect the two groups of normally open points of the knob switch. Then output from any output end of that knob switch, and connect it with the blue line of the float switch. Then connect the black wire of the float switch to the coil AR end of the contactor. Then output from that other output end of the knob switch, and connect it to the normally closed point of the stop button. The stop button outputs two wires, one connected to the normally open point above the contactor, and the other connect to the normally open point of the start button. The output end of that start button is connect with the AR end of the contactor. Then connect the AR end of the contactor with the normally open point below. Finally, connect the zero line of the power supply to the terminal AE of the contactor coil. The whole circuit is completed. Turn the knob switch to the automatic gear. When the float switch is at the low water level, the contactor suction motor runs. At this time, the button can't control the motor. After the float switch is at high water level, the contactor disconnects and the motor stops. Turn the knob switch to the manual gear. Press the start button, and the contactor attracts the motor to rotate. At this time, the float switch cannot control the motor. Press the stop button. The contactor disconnects and the motor stops. Google Store search. Circuit wiring simulator use immediately.